Hello everybody, I'm Bo. If you're looking for a cost-effective cylinder head replacement, Cat Reman is a great option for you. These parts are remanufactured to meet original Caterpillar performance specifications with the latest engineering updates. They perform like new for a fraction of new price when you return your core, and they're all backed by a same-as-new Caterpillar limited warranty. Above all, Cat Reman cylinder heads are designed to integrate directly into your Cat engine system. Naturally, it's their quality that stands out. Whether you're considering standard Cat Reman cylinder heads or the Cat Reman Upgrade to New option, Cat Reman Upgrade to New cylinder heads consist of 100% new head castings on select models. With core return, you can get these products for a fraction of new price. With all Cat Reman cylinder heads, we cross-check and test their metallurgy, dimension, and flatness. This helps maintain engine efficiency, temperatures, and combustion pressures. When coolant mixes with fuel, injectors can become damaged, combustion gases can pressurize your cooling system, and coolant can leak into your cylinders. With Caterpillar's stringent bore specifications, coolant circulates around the injector to prevent fuel and combustion gases from mixing. Plus, all Cat Reman cylinder heads must pass extensive end-of-the-line leak tests before they enter our supply chain. One thing you might notice is the finish. All surface finishes for Cat Reman cylinder heads are within Caterpillar's roughness specifications. Also, the cylinder head surface roughness secures the gasket by giving it a texture to grip onto. As a result of these processes, Cat Reman cylinder heads meet the latest Caterpillar surface finish specifications. With new valve seats and new valve guides, Cat Reman cylinder heads provide excellent sealing capabilities. In fact, all Cat Reman parts come with sustainability benefits thanks to our core return model. We bring new life to used cylinder heads and other core by keeping them in our supply chain and out of landfills. Do you have any more questions about Cat Reman products? Reach out to your local authorized Cat dealer and explore the latest content on cat.com/Reman. We'll see you next time.